Hey everyone, Golden Mixer again, and this is welcome back to Granny, and let's play, and what is easy? I'm gonna normal, and extra locks, darker, and yeah. So I'm gonna. I see some people get glitch in here, and I see a update I saw on the YouTube. I think there's a shotgun in the garage. I don't think so. So yeah, let's play it. So I'm gonna do a glitch. No, I see some people live right here and here, and right this. I saw a glitch. There she is. Let's see. Oh, I can't glitch Granny. So let's do my plan. I can't glitch. So I saw a glitch last time. They glitch Granny. So you need to leave this house. I know that. I'm gonna do my plan. And here she is. Okay, there she is. Okay. Let's see what's an update in here. So let's run. Oh, there she is. So how to run? So I'm gonna do a plan. I have a question. Granny, do you toothbrush your teeth? Your teeth is so smelly. You look like a smelly butt. Run. Okay. And hide here. I think she's gonna come. I think there's not. Oh, piece of painting. Okay. Let's see. Well, let's find an update. Okay. The wind channel and where? So let's see. The teddy bear was here. The teddy bear was okay. So. Oh. Okay.
Oh, baby keyboard. Ay, daddy keyboard pala.
So yeah. So let's wrap this things up. And yeah. Okay, she is. There she is. So there's a letter. She put in a trap. So let's see. Okay.
Bakit siya bad? Bakit siya bad?
Okay. Oh, there she is. Oh no. Okay. Let's see what's things in here. Okay. What is this? A part of shotgun. Okay, that's nice. Let's wait, Granny. A part of a shotgun. That's nice. Let's wait, Granny. There she is. Okay. Oh, there she is, Granny. Your beautiful mouth. Your beautiful. Haha, I make noise. Okay. Please don't come here. Oh, there she is. You see it? Okay, man. Okay, so I'm gonna make a noise in this side, in that side. I'm gonna make a noise that side. So, oh, the trap is gone. Now you know. Okay, she's gonna come here. Let's make a double noise. So pretty sure. So let's see. Okay. Let's get a winch handle. So please a lemon, please a lemon, please a lemon, please a watermelon. It's there's nothing here. Pliers. Cutting pliers. How to get it? There we go. And let's leave it right here. Let's get this up part of shotgun. I make noise. This can. Okay. Gonna leave it right there. So this part of shotgun is distribute right here. So let's get the cutting pliers. And yeah, so let's cut that. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my. Okay, I make noise. Okay, so let's get into here. Okay. What is this place? I think this is a garage. Oh my goodness, the garage. The garage is here. The update is real. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna make noise. Okay, oh my goodness, I can't believe there's like a garage. Granny, I'm here. Okay, Granny. Oh, there she is. Okay, you don't see me. Granny. Okay, there she is. I think she put it in a bear trap. Okay. Okay, I broke Granny's car. What's this? Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. Oh, where are you? Oh, please leave. Oh, there she is. I think she's not seeing me. Okay. Hey. Oh, there she is. Okay. I get killed. So yeah, that's the Granny's new update and an advertisement. So that is the Granny's new update. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe the video and comment down below. Please click all. Just click all. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe the video and goodbye.